Hello dear students, welcome to social science class. In this class, we are going to discuss about business studies first chapter banking transactions. In this video, you learn about the types of bank accounts, procedures to open a bank account, and advantages of bank account opening. Types of bank accounts. One of the major aspects of the banking industry is the provision of bank accounts. There are various types of bank accounts which can be opened in any public or private sector banks. But initially, there are only 4 types of bank accounts that are operating in India, and they are savings bank account, current account, recurring deposit account, and term or fixed deposit account. Now, let us discuss one by one. Savings bank account. This type of account is generally opened in banks by salaried persons or by the persons who have a fixed regular income. This facility is also given to the students, senior citizens, pensioners, etc. Savings accounts are opened to encourage people to save money and pool their savings. There is no restriction on the number and amount of deposits. The money can be withdrawn either by check or through a withdrawal slip available in the respective bank. Current account. Current account is opened by businessmen who have a large number of regular transactions with the bank. In current account, amount can be deposited or withdrawn any number of times in a day. Generally, banks do not give any interest on these deposits, but collect service charges or bank charges on such account. recurring deposit account. These deposit accounts are generally opened for a purpose to be saved for a future date. For example, for the purposes of wedding expenses of children, or to buy costly items like land, car, etc. For future requirements, deposits are made regularly on monthly basis. And after the period is over, the total amount is repaid with interest. Term or fixed deposit account. This type of account is opened for a fixed period by depositing a particular sum of money. The term of the deposit may be a month, 6 months, 1 year, 5 years, or 10 years. The deposit amount cannot be withdrawn before the expiry of the term. The rate of interest is more depending upon the term in this deposit account. Procedures to open a bank account. Nowadays, banks have emerged as important financial institutions. Banks provide a safe environment and help to manage financial transactions. To avail professional banking transactions or banking services, it is mandatory for every individual to open a bank account. And opening a bank account is not a difficult task. It takes 7 steps to open a bank account, and those 7 steps are here. The first step is decide the type of account which you want to open, because there are several types of bank accounts. So you need to decide which type of account you want to open in the bank. After that, approach the bank of your choice and meet its office. So once you have decided to open a particular type of account, approach the bank officer and inform him about your wish to open the bank account. The bank officer will give you required forms and instructions. After getting bank account form or proposal form, fill up the form in all respects, such as your name, address, occupation, and other details in the spaces provided. Next step is give a reference for opening your bank account. Banks normally require reference or introduction of the prospective account holder by any of the existing account holder or some respectable person. The introducer introduces the prospective account holder by signing his specimen signature in the column meant for it. And the next step is submit the bank account form duly filled in all respects and along with the required documents, that is address proof, PAN card, Aadhaar card, photograph, etc. And then the next step is the officer will verify all the particulars submitted. He checks whether the form is filled completely in all respects and other documents. If he is satisfied, then he clears the proposal form. And the last is initial deposit. After getting the proposal form cleared, the initial amount is deposited in the bank through challan. Advantages of opening bank account. By opening an account in bank, account holder can get many benefits, like bank accounts offer simplicity for transactions. It offers a safe treasury of your hard-earned money. It is an easy way to grow money. It offers easy access to credit, etc. Apart from this, there are particular benefits. They are: bank accounts facilitates safe custody of money. Bank account helps in making payments. Bank account helps in collection of money. And bank account holders can get advances and loans. Bank account helps in smooth financial transactions. Bank account holders can get safe deposit locker facility.